Hi there, Billy for Ask a Mechanic, and the question of the day is, as a mechanic, what are the most common repairs you do and why? Most common repairs that we do as a mechanic are brakes and suspension components, meaning our roads, oh my gosh, they're in terrible condition, our cars take a beating, suspensions take a beating, so we're constantly repairing suspensions. And brakes, of course, it is a component that is very frequently used, and it's a wear component. Therefore, we need to change them or replace them often. And the third item that we do often is tires. Because of course, tires are wear maintenance items that should be replaced as soon as they start getting low. Unfortunately, everybody forgets about their wiper blades. That should be changed every couple of months, but people don't. So keep in mind, wiper blades extremely important. What is interesting about all of this is the Vehicle Mind application actually gives you driving scores. And it tells you about harsh braking, harsh cornering. You may end up working your suspension very hard. Now, of course, the better you drive, the less wear on your brakes, the less wear on your suspension, and the less wear on your tires. They are the top repairs, and Vehicle Mind monitors these things. So if we actually pay attention to what our score is, or our driving score, well then maybe we can end up saving a few dollars in the long run.